Hello everyone, I'm Ramon. Welcome back to Ramon at Home. As I am getting ready to show you guys my home tour that is coming up in just a few days, I decided to go ahead and redecorate the hutch in the dining room. I want to show you step by step the transformation. If you guys saw my transformation for spring, you saw there was a lot of greenery, some statuary, and a lot of terracotta pots. Well, we're keeping the terracotta pots, but we're gonna dial it down a few notches, and I think you guys will enjoy. So if you want to see the transformation, please stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and don't forget to turn the notification bell on so you're notified about future uploads. All right, you guys, let's go into the dining room. I really want to share this makeover for my hutch. As you guys saw earlier, for spring it was super overly done, and that's just because after winter we're all ready to bring some greenery and stuff into the house. But this time around for summer, I'm gonna take it down a bit. But the very first thing I do is I wipe it down because I really feel that this is a perfect occasion to wipe down all the furniture since there's nothing in them. So the very first thing I'm going to add is going to be some dishes that I have right here with me. If you guys know me and been following around, then you know that blue and white, it's the theme of this house and any house that I lived in the past. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and add some of these plates. I have 6 of them, and instead of having them out or inside a drawer or your cabinet, why not put them out on display, because they're absolutely beautiful to look at. So I have 6 of these dishes. Then what I'm going to do is I'm gonna go ahead and add this big bowl on the top, and there's gonna be my focal point, and I cannot wait to show you. All right, you guys, so I have this big wooden bowl, and I actually wanted to use one of those dough bowls that you can see at your local craft stores, but this will do just fine. But in case you're looking for something similar, you can also go to your craft stores and look for those dough bowls. I think it will be excellent. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some greenery, because like I told you before, greenery is one of the things that every house should have for summer. All right, so I have these 2 grasses that I purchased when I lived in Kansas. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add them to the top and add some green to my cabinet right here. And it's starting to take shape, and I absolutely love the contrast of blue and white with greenery. I absolutely love it. Then the next thing I'm gonna add is I'm gonna add some of these baskets, and I use these baskets to store some of the things that I need, like my candles. These baskets are absolutely full with candles and votive holders and my lighter, and I'm just gonna go ahead and add this guy right here. And to create symmetry, I'm gonna add on the other side another one, and this one holds all of my napkins when I entertain. I'm gonna put it right here, and it's starting to take shape. I'm gonna also add some beautiful pictures that I have used all over the house. These ones have some fruit paintings on them, and I absolutely love them. So I'm gonna go ahead and stagger them right here in the middle, and this will be the color scheme that I'm looking for. I love this wood tone, and it reminds me of terracotta. So I'm just gonna go ahead and stagger them right there. Then the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring some white to break all of that blue apart. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and line some of these white elements. I have a picture. Then also I have this beautiful tureen that I use for salsa and when I entertain. I absolutely love it. Then I have these 2 little cows that I purchased at my local thrift store. I'm just gonna put them right here. And as you notice, I'm just going on a line down because I have a collection of terracotta pots that I'm gonna put to bring in from that wood tone. So what I've done is I just put some foam in it, and then I cover it with green moss. And I absolutely love the way these guys look right here. They add that natural element. They add a lot of greenery, which I told you I absolutely love this time of the year. And so I'm gonna go ahead and add a few more. I'm gonna add a big one, probably right here. And then I'm gonna add another small one. Actually, I'm gonna switch that one. We're gonna create symmetry by adding contrast, 2 small ones. Then we'll go the opposite side. We'll do 2 small ones, and then I'll add a big one on each side, like right here and right here. And this, you guys, creates a beautiful, beautiful summer display on my hutch. It is super simple. It only takes a few minutes, and all we have is some blue and white dishes, terracotta pots, and a little bit of texture with these baskets. And the greenery, of course, you cannot forget the greenery this time of the year for your summer home. All right, you guys, well, that's all I have for today, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what is your favorite part of the dining room to decorate. I know a lot of you like to do tablescapes, but at least for me, it is the hutch. I had so much fun showing you guys how a few items can really transform that little space. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and share with a friend. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing for future decorating ideas and turn your notification bell on so you're notified about every single upload. Also, you can watch that makeover for spring right now, or you can choose other videos. Thank you guys, and until next time, bye.